Hello guys, so in this video we'll be looking at how to create measures. All right, and remember we said measures are data that are ultimately sliced or filtered. All right, and one thing we said about measures is that they are often the final values that you want to report on, such as the total sum, right? Such as like the total sum. But how do we calculate measures? Okay, so one thing I do while working, or if working on let's say data sets or trying to create visualization, if I have my table already, one thing I always do is I create another table where I put all my measures in instead of calculating the measures on the already existing table. That way it helps me to just go to that table and select the measure I want to work with. So how do we do that? Let's start from that. So we click on enter data. So when we click on enter data, it tries to create a table for us. All right, but this table name is going to be measures or metrics. You can use measures. So you enter load. Okay, so we allow it to load. Then I can easily just click on this, right click and say create measures. So imagine if I want to see, let's say, the total hotel bookings, right? If I want to see the total hotel bookings, it's important that you name your measures with descriptive names that when you see, you know what is actually going on. So I can say total bookings, total underscore, so that we don't use space when writing measures here. So total underscore bookings is equal to count row, because I want to count the total bookings, and from my data set I know that each row represents an individual booking. All right, so I can say count row, open my bracket, just the way you write formulas in Excel. That's how you write DAX formulas too. So count rows. What table do I want to count the rows? Hotel bookings. So I click on tab and I close my brackets. If I click enter now, it shows me the total bookings. So if I click on this and I select a card, it shows me what the final output, which is what the total bookings. So I know that the total bookings on this particular data set is what is 142,000 bookings are on this data set. So that's how to add a measure. Okay, so you can delete this empty column from your model. If you want to add other measures, you can right click on add measures, and your measures will be added. So basically that's how to add measures to your particular data set or the data you are working on. So see you guys in the next video.